So I'm on my way. Try to take some pictures, maybe of Mount Diablo, if I could find some snow. Also take some drone photos. So it's a bit muddy. Let's have some fun, right? Well, that would have been a nice photo right there of Diablo, but there's that huge power tower right there. Kind of ruined it. Oh well, let's fly the drone up. See what we get. Diablo. Looks like I'm a little bit late. I think there was more snow earlier, but hopefully we'll still get to capture some of this. There's major freeways. 24, 680 over there. Yeah. It's my hometown. It's awesome.